Hello, welcome to this episode of the CapCut series. In this video, you're going to be learning one of the most amazing editing effects you can add to your video using CapCut. Here, I am going to be showing you how you can use keyframes within your videos. But before we dive in, let's look at what keyframes are. Keyframes allows you to make changes to all the different elements in your timeline. And these changes are made by placing points at different parts in the timeline. Now, to understand this better, let's make it practical. The very first effect I'm going to be showing you here is the zoom in effect. Let's say you want your video to gradually increase in size as it plays. So to explain this zoom in effect, I'm going to be using this video. Okay, we have it duplicated. I'll just take one part. So now to do the zoom in effects, to apply the zoom in effect, I'll ensure that my line is placed just at the beginning of where I want the effect to start from. So I want it to start from here. So I'll come to scale, and then I'll click on this diamond shaped object here, and then I would move this line, let's say up till this point, and then I will increase the size of the video like this. So you can see the second keyframe has been added. If you play the video, it's going to play like this. So this is it for the zoom in effect. If you want the effect to play very fast, all you need to do is to bring these two diamond shaped objects closer to each other. But if you want it to take some time, then ensure that the distance between these two diamond shaped objects are far apart. Let's see how this works. So I will just take this and place it closer to the first keyframe. And then if I play our video, you see it is going to come out really fast. Now, another effect I am going to be showing you here is the color shift effect. Let's say you want the brightness of your video to gradually go down as the video plays. Now, to do that, first of all, I will ensure that my line is here first, and then I will come to blend here. I'll click on this diamond shaped object here on blend. What we do here is that we adjust the opacity. So I'll click on this diamond shaped object. The first keyframe has been created and the opacity here is 100%. And then I will take this line, I will move it, let's say, up to this point, and then I will adjust the opacity like this. So the second keyframe has been created. Like I explained earlier, if you want the effect to play very fast, just reduce the distance between the two diamond shaped objects. So if we play our video, it's going to play like this. So as you can see, the opacity is gradually decreasing. The last effect I am going to be talking about is the keyframe tilt. Let's say you want your video to tilt as it gradually plays. Now to do that, first I'll create my first keyframe here by coming here to transform. I'll click on it, and then I'll move this line, let's say up to this point, and then I'll begin to rotate my video like this, and I'll cover up the space, like this. Like this. So the second keyframe has been created. So if we play our video, it's going to play like this. So as you can see, the video is gradually tilting. So this is how you add the keyframe tilt effects. This is all we'll be explaining on this video. If you want to learn more interesting ways of using keyframes, then stay tuned on my channel. And please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get more amazing ways on how to use keyframes on your video. On our next video, we are going to be looking at how you can add animation to your videos using keyframes. Thanks for watching and bye for now.